What is going on, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video. Celestin Capital here, and this is officially the start of our 200K FTMO challenge. As you can see, we're currently a profit, almost 2%. We're up about 3.3K. And the reason I didn't record the execution of this trade live was because I wasn't at home. I had my laptop, and I've been eyeing this trade since last week. So I decided to get into the trade on my laptop, and now I'm here recording it for you guys, just to show you guys, just to prove to you guys that like I told you, I'm going to record every single trade that I take. And yeah, I'm showing you guys the reality of a trader, the reality of trading in general. As you can see, the only reason we have this bit of drawdown is because of the commissions. Let me show you that. We haven't taken any trades on this account. History, no trades at all. No trades on this account. Brand new account. Fresh 200K account. This is the only trade we've taken so far. And let's go back to here. You can see we're up, as I said, 3.3K. And so let me show you guys this trade on Trading View. Also, I forgot to mention, this trade is a 1 to 2 RR, but I managed to get a tighter entry because I got into this trade a little late. I was supposed to get, well, I got into the trade late, but it turned out to be a good thing because this trade went into drawdown. I was supposed to get in somewhere over here. You can see I was supposed to get in somewhere over here for a 1 to 2, about a 1 to 2. But I managed to get in somewhere down here. So this 1 to 2 trade is actually like a 1 to 6, around 1 to 6, 1 to 7. But, you know, in general, in total, it is a 1 to 2. I'm looking at it as a 1 to 2 because I was supposed to get in over here. So I'm just going to hold it to wherever my original TP is supposed to be, which is up here somewhere, for 1 to 2. Now, because I got a tighter entry, of course, the profit is going to be more. Let me show you guys that I'm only risking 1%. You can see $2,100. That's all I'm risking. I'm not breaking my trading plan to over risk and to get a better risk to reward, or to make more money on this trade. I'm risking $2,000. Just, of course, you know, spread makes it like $2,100 something dollars. You can see I'm risking, as it pops up right there. Hold on one second. I'm risking $2,153, $2,000. All right, and the reward, the payout is 14K. So that's about a 1 to 7, as I told you guys, because I managed to get a tight entry because I got in late. All right, it turned out to work in my favor. It is what it is. It turned out to work in my favor. I can't do anything about that. Next time, I'll make sure to get in. I'm not complaining about this, but next time, you know, this could have easily been a missed trade, but, you know, as I said, it worked out in my favor. Next time, I'll make sure to put a buy limit so that it taps me in correctly. So again, risking $2,000 to make 14K. I don't go for 1 to 7s. I only go for 1 to 2s. But as I told you, I managed to get a tighter entry. So that's why it is a 1 to 7 in this case. So the profit on this is going to be about 14K if TP gets hit. I'm going to go break even at 1 to 1, which is 7K in this case, which is supposed to be 2K. So right over here, when this price crosses, I'm going to go break even. I'm probably not going to be awake for this because it's already almost 2 o'clock in the morning. And I'm getting ready to go to sleep. But, you know, whatever happens, happens. If I wake up and it's past this line, but it hasn't hit TP yet, I'll go break even. If I wake up, you know, it's in drawdown, we'll hold it. If I wake up and TP gets hit, great. All right, so, yeah. That's the only trade I'm looking at for now. If the trade plays out, I'm done for the day. We're done. We're out of here. Especially because of the risk to reward that I make on this trade, I'm definitely done. Like, part of my trading plan, only 2 trades max. If I win the first trade, that's it. But if I lose the first trade, the second trade that I take, if there is a possibility to take a second trade, if there's a setup, I'm going to reduce the risk in half. So if the first trade is 1%, the second trade is going to be 0.5%. But if I'm in drawdown, if you guys go ahead and watch the trading plan video, it'll explain everything to you. If I'm in drawdown, I'm risking 0.5%. And, you know, if I lose the first trade, the second trade is going to be 0.25%, which is half of 0.5%. Gold is also looking very clean. I'm looking for a retest of this. All right, again, I'm not taking this trade. And I'm not going to get into 2 trades at once. That's another thing. I'm not getting into 2 different trades at once. So even if gold comes back, gives me the beautiful setup, I'm not taking it as long as I'm in GU. If GU hits stop loss, then I'll get into gold. If GU hits TP, I'm done. I'm out of here for today. So gold is the only other clean thing that I see, but I need that retest, that bounce back to continue to the upside. Nasdaq is, it seems like Nasdaq just broke structure to the downside, but I'm still waiting, being patient on Nasdaq. I don't want to force anything on there yet. I think Nasdaq hit all-time highs too, so that's beautiful to start the year. Yeah, that's currently where we are right now. That is currently where we are. So as I told you guys, I'm in GU. Beautiful setup, my A plus setup actually on GU. So I'm show you guys again. I'm currently in this trade up 3.4K. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. The next clip is probably going to be when I wake up later on. So that's going to be in a couple hours. So once again, I'll see you guys in the next clip. It has been a couple hours and we are back, and you can see that we've lost this trade. We've lost about 1% on this trade. Oh, wrong one. We lost 1% on this trade. You can see we're just about 198,000 because of spread. Of course, we are lower than 198,000, but you know, essentially we're down 198,000. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Essentially, we are down 198,000. Now, looking at GU from a higher time frames perspective, we've hit this weekly resistance. Now, currently, what I'm looking at is, you can see we pushed the upside, we broke, and now it looks like we're retesting this weekly resistance. I'm waiting for a strong close below this red line because that's my break of structure line. Anything under that is, you know, a shift of structure for me. So currently, if we go to the 4 hour, you can see that this 4 hour tried to push the upside, but it couldn't. And now it looks like we're currently breaking. Now I need to wait another 2 hours, hour 54 minutes. If we get a strong close like this, then I'll start looking for sales on GU after the retest. So I'll look for a retest to continue to the downside, but we have to get a strong close. If we get some kind of weak close somewhere up here, then I won't consider it a shift of structure or a break of structure. But sells below this or buys above here. So it's currently what I'm looking at. Retest over here, or if price does something like this to continue to the upside. So that's currently what I am looking at in the markets right now. GCAD, I need GCAD to break below here before going in for the sell. I need a strong break and then a retest to continue to the downside. Gold looks pretty clean for buys, but I'm just waiting for my setup. See if it gives me a setup. Nasdaq sold nicely, but I was expecting a deeper retracement up here before looking for sales. So right now, what I'm currently looking at is gold and GU. Those are the only two I'm looking at right now. So I'm going to be patient and wait for the setups. All I'm doing is waiting for the setups to come to me. We lost the first trade, not a big deal at all. It is what it is. Sometimes you have to charge certain things to the game, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So we lost 1%. This next trade is going to be 0.5% risk. Because again, if I said as long as I'm above initial capital or at initial capital, I risk 1%. If I'm below, I start risking 0.5% until I get back at or above initial capital. So the next trade is going to be $1,000 risk if it presents itself. I'm not forcing anything. I'm just waiting for the market to see if it wants to present me a nice trade again. So that's currently what I'm waiting for and what I'm looking at, and we'll see what happens. I'll update you guys as we continue on. I'm back, guys, and I'm currently looking for this buy opportunity on gold, but I'm still waiting for some confirmation. What I'm waiting for is a 5-minute close above this line up here. That's simply what I'm waiting for. That's it. So we'll see if price gives us that. If not, I'm going to continue to wait and be patient. All right, that's all I'm waiting for right now at this point. I have the first confirmation. The second confirmation is at least a 5-minute close above here. If I get a 15-minute close, even better, same thing. So that's what we're looking at right now on gold. That's the only trade that I see, and this is going to be the second trade if the opportunity presents itself. Whether this trade works out or not, I'm done for today after this trade. GU still going to the downside. You can see a huge tank to the downside on GU. But I'm still looking to buy gold, so I'm waiting for the opportunity, and yeah, I'll update you guys on what happens Stop loss is going to be about 40 pips. So that's going to look good. Still haven't taken any trades since the one we lost earlier this morning. You can see still at 197, 197.7. So we're going to be looking at gold right now. I'll update you guys in a bit. All right, guys, I am back. It has been a couple minutes, and looks like we're getting the setup that we've been waiting for. It didn't take that long. We're going to wait a couple seconds, see if this closes above. We've got about 10 seconds. I'm about to place the buy limit. 5 seconds. See if we get that close above. All right, safe to say we got to close above. So now I have the buy limit on gold. You can see we're risking only $1,000, only $1,000. That's 0.5% risk, and we're about to get tapped into the trade pretty soon. So let's wait for that and see. So we got the setup we're looking for on gold. And as I said, stop loss is about 40 pips. Take profit is going to be about 80 to 90 pips. That's all I'm looking for. 1 to 2, simple 1 to 2. Where are we? Not in the trade yet. Simple 1 to 2 is what we're looking for. So I'll update you guys in a little bit. All right, I'm not expecting this trade to play out immediately. We should be tapped into the trade by now. All right, so we're in the trade right now. Let me go ahead and move this. I accept. Let's go ahead and move this up here. So again, risking 1,000 to make 2,000. Simple as that. All right. So we're going to place this right here, and we'll wait and see what price wants to do. So I'll give you guys an update in a little bit. I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm back, guys, and we are currently in drawdown, but it is not a big deal. Excuse me. I'm still waiting for price. What happened? Actually, it's supposed to be right here. I'm still waiting for price to push to the upside. We'll go break even once price gets here, or on the MetaTrader app, once price gets right over here. All right, still the same trade. Still at 197.782, and we're just waiting for price to push up. Once again, I'll go break even once price crosses this red line right up here. So I will see you guys in the next clip. All right, you can see we got stopped out of this trade. That's 2 losses for today, and we are done, guys. We are done for the day. We're just going to come back stronger. Well, we have FOMC, what is it, tomorrow? So Thursday, we're probably going to come back. And yeah, I'll continue to trade the account. And let me show you guys. No, not this. I'll continue to trade the account, and we're going to continue to do it. We lost about 1.5% today. So just about 197,000. The reason it's under 197,000 is because of spread and commissions. So again, we lost about 1.5%, but it's not a big deal. We are going to continue to trade the way we've been trading. So I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one, and you guys see this. You guys see the reality of trading. There's nothing for me to hide here. So when I pass these challenges, you guys don't give me an excuse. You guys don't call me fake or anything like that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.